Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am excited to bring you this video today. We've been waiting all year for this product, the brand new DRONE X1R. We finally received them this morning in preparation for the upcoming remote start season, and I thought what better way to announce that we've got these than to make a quick YouTube video. Now, I haven't used one of these in practice because we just got them, so they're supposedly supposed to be a lot faster, a lot quicker because of the 4G LTE service that they now are running off of. But what I can say is the packaging is definitely really cool, which stands for something, and the hardware is really cool, much smaller than even last year's. Now, last year's version, the DR3400, was a little bit smaller in physical dimensions in terms of its overall width, but this is definitely a lot thinner and a much better form factor in terms of where we're going to be able to mount this. So as you can see, fits in the palm of my hand. You could pretty much stash this in a vehicle anywhere. It's got two different ports. I was just reading the install guide. The gray is the telematics port, so if you have a CompuStar or iData Starter or 410 remote starter, that's going to be the connector that you use to plug in. If you wanted to use the unit in standalone mode, which the harness does not come in the package, you'd have to buy the standalone harness separately. That is what the, I believe it's 10-pin port is for. It's got some lights on the device, which I will show you. It's got the LTE light, the power light, and the GPS light. That's obviously to tell you if the device is on and whether it's got LTE signal and whether it's got GPS signal. So great for diagnostics. And then it's got the big First Tech logo, the manufacturer of the device. Two different sticky pads on either side there, so you can actually stick it down under the dash. And what I thought was interesting was this guy, which is SIM card slot. So if you did have any SIM card issues, you have the ability to service it. Now, that's not going to be a user serviceable item. The unit comes with a pre-allocated SIM card, which obviously is part of the subscription basis. But I thought it was interesting that it had that little slot easily accessible. You will get a free month's worth of service. As far as I've been told, it is now the premium service with GPS tracking. So for those of you who want to test out the full functionality of Drone Mobile, it's now coming with that free 30-day subscription that allows you to run the entire full featured software, which is pretty cool. So we just got an order of 60 pieces in stock. It's now here. Today is August the 30th, 2019. We hope to be sold out on this first initial order quite quickly. So if you are interested in adding Drone Mobile smartphone control to your vehicle, feel free to give us a shout, 1-866-824-4118. We now have these in stock, ready to go as mentioned. So if you do want them, give us a call. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It does go a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. We will certainly be bringing you more videos on Drone Mobile. We'll show you how it works. We'll do some screencast videos to show you how it looks on your smartphone, how quick it is, etc. We're really excited that the platform is here, and we look forward to making more videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.